Hey, what's up YouTube? So I had this question come up and it was in regards to how do I actually use the Chasys Draw Image Editing Suite with the photo viewer and doing side-by-side window image comparisons. So I'm just going to quickly walk through exactly how I go about doing that. It's not very difficult. So the first thing you want to do is obviously go to a folder, grab an image. So what we're going to do here is just grab an image, open with, sorry, I should slow down here. Right click on the image and then open with, and then we're going to select Chasys Draw IES Viewer, which will bring up the full window eventually. Okay, so here's one image, right? Now what we're going to do, yes, I know there's a wonderful new update. Now what we're going to do is just drag the window as far over as possible, and you see that there's a region that shows up with a transparent border, so you actually know what size this window would actually be. So if you drag it in the very top corner, you'll end up with a fourth of a window, and then you can drop another window down here, another window on this side, and then another window underneath. But what we want is just side by side, so just drag all the way over, let go. So what you need to actually do is select Chasys Draw Viewer, and my phone is in the way, so 1 second. And right click on it and go to Chasys Draw Image Viewer, and that will open up a brand new window. Once this window is actually open, what you're going to do is click and drag the image you want for that window. So now that you have that one, actually that's the wrong one. Now that you have them both open though, what you can actually do is drag to the other side of the screen, let go. Now, since it already knows what folder you were in, you can actually pick the image you wanted out of that folder. And that's pretty much all there really is. See, this was 8408. Actually, what I wanted to show was the DNG file of that one. You know, just to show before and after kind of thing. Well, I guess after and before. Yeah, so that's pretty much all there is to it. You just basically, let's just quickly run through this again. So you right click on one of the images that you want to use. Let's start with the DNG file, and we're going to open with Chasys Draw Viewer. Wait for it to load. Drag it over to the very edge of the window, and now you've got that image there. And then just right click on the taskbar icon, open up another session of Chasys Draw, and now you just click and drag the other photo that you want in that one. Drag this window to the opposite of the other one, and now you've got your dual comparison. And that's it. If you like the video, leave a like. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. It helps me out. And if you want to support the channel, I leave that information at the bottom of the description. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and you guys will see me on my next video. I'm out.